first question we have is, can a Muslim be a communist? A Muslim cannot be a communist. A Muslim cannot be a communist. The principles of communism are based upon atheism, and they are against, obviously they're against capitalism. Islam is not a religion which is pro-capitalist in the sense where we are with big businessmen and the cheating and lying and deceit that they do. No, we're not with that. But Allah said, وَأَحَلَّ اللَّهُ الْبَيْعَ وَحَرَّمَ الرِّبَى. Allah has made buying and selling halal. And if you buy and sell, you can become a rich person. And communism goes against that. Communism, totalitarian society, where people are not, where all people are different, and that's not, it can't happen. Islamically, it can't happen. Things have, different things have different value. For you to say gold and silver have the same value, they don't have the same value. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam فرق بين الذهب والفضة. So we can't say that it's the same. So a Muslim cannot be a communist at all. And if you're someone that you're reading into communism and you're a Muslim, then I ask you, why are you reading into communism but you're not reading into Al-Islam? So you have not even read into Al-Islam, but you read into communism? Something is not okay.